Today we will learn chapter 5 plant reproduction. So firstly we can start with the reproduction. What do you mean by reproduction? The process by which a living being produces a new individual of its own kind is called the reproduction. Now we are going to learn life cycle of a plant. Let's see. Seeds. Seed is the first stage of every plant. When it gets proper sunlight, water and other essential conditions, it starts growing. This stage of plant is known as seedling. This is the second stage of every plant. Third stage is a mature plant. In this stage, it starts to produce buds and these buds turn into flowers. This is the next stage. Usually these flowers turns into fruits, and this is the last stage of life cycle of a plant. We can move to the sexual reproduction of flowers. Male gamete from a flower fertilizes the female gamete of the same flower or another flower of the same kind and a zygote is formed. This form of reproduction is known as sexual reproduction. Our next topic is seeds. What do you mean by seeds? A seed is a tiny life support package which gives rise to a new plant. Then let's see parts of a seeds. Usually seeds have many parts like seed coat, plumule, radicle, embryo, cotyledons, cortex. Then first one, seed coat. The outer hard cover of the seed that had swollen up is called seed coat. It protects the seed before germination. Next one, cotyledons. When we remove the seed coat and we will find two cotyledons, the seed stores food into it. Next is embryo. Each and every seed carries an embryo inside it. Embryo is having two parts, a plumule and a radicle. Plumule of the seed is the shoot system of seed. Then it grows upwards. Then radicle. Radicle is the root system of seed. It grows downwards. There are two kinds of seeds, dicot seeds and monocot seeds. First one, dicot seeds. Those seeds which have two cotyledons are called dicot seeds. Examples are grams, peas, beans, etc. Then monocot seeds. The seeds which have only one cotyledon is called monocot seeds. Examples are maize, rice, wheat, etc. Next we can see germination. The development of a seed into a seedling is called germination. Air, water and warmth are required for germination. Dispersal of seeds. Scattering of seeds away from the parent plant by wind, water, animals or other methods is known as dispersal. Then dispersal of seeds is happens with the help of wind, water, animals or other methods. Due to this reason, we can call them the agents of seed dispersal. Vegetative reproduction. What do you mean by vegetative reproduction? Growth of new plants from some other parts of plants other than seeds is known as vegetative reproduction. Then, from roots. Carrot, sweet potato and radish are the plants whose roots can grow into new plants. Then from stems, some plants grows from its stem cuttings that are having buds which is cut from the plant. For example, rose, hibiscus, money plant, etc. From leaves. The leaves of some plants like bryophyllum grow plantlets on their edges. Then from spores. Some plants develop with the help of spores. They are small round structures. These disperse and grow into a new plant. For example, ferns, mosses, etc.